How to loop a head pin. We have some chain nose pliers, wire cutters and round nose pliers. So we take our head pin, which is slightly bent, so we're just going to straighten it using our chain nose pliers. Makes it easier for the bead to go on. And then we attach our beads. And as you can see, this head pin is too long, so we need to measure 1 centimetre. Now you can get a marker pen, but I'm just cutting. Make sure you don't lose that end, because it hurts your feet if you stand on them. And we are now going to do a right angle bend, and I'm going to use the pliers for this. You can use your finger beforehand, before you cut. So I'm now going to take the round nose pliers and I'm going to bend back on myself, making sure that the wire isn't coming through before I bend, otherwise you won't get a perfect circle. And then we bend it back. Release and then go back in again and bend. I'll just make another one. So there's our beads. Again, it's too long, so we are going to measure 1 centimetre. Again, use a permanent marker if you've got one, that makes it easier, and then cut. Take our pliers and do a right angle bend. So it looks like that. And then we take our round nose pliers and we bend back. Make sure nothing's sticking through. And then bend back on ourselves. Put them back in and then bend. I will show you without any beads this time. So I put it along my finger, make sure there's nothing coming out the end, and then I bend back on myself, again keeping it against my finger. Go back in and bend. And there we have a loop, but the loop isn't straight how I want it. I want it to be straight up. Put my pliers back in, and then I just gently bend the head pin a little bit, and there we have it, straight. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I have lots of tutorials available and lots more planned. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.